Go Carpet Cleaning in Powers Park, Georgia. Testimonials. At Go Carpet Cleaning, we take on the toughest stains using natural cleaning products. We're one of the top-rated carpet cleaners in Powers Park for good reason. Not only do we clean carpets and upholstery, but we also specialize in area rugs, and more. Our primary goal is to make sure our customers are happy with the carpet cleaning service we provide. We strive for complete customer satisfaction on each and every job. A home or office should be a place where you feel relaxed and comfortable. Our carpet cleaning services will help to bring that feeling back to your space, and we promise friendly service every time. See what our customers have to share about their experience with us.
This service was the best carpet cleaning I have had in years. The gentleman gal was so very nice, and very professional. This carpet is very light and gets dirt fast, and I haven't had it cleaned since last year. I am a very critical person, but when I tell you I had no criticism about this service, I mean it. Excellent, excellent job. Thank you, gal, well worth every penny and more. We'll be calling you again before Christmas.
Great rapid service and communication. Expert and professional carpet cleaning work.
Did you know that we offer more than just carpet cleaning? We also provide upholstery cleaning for your home or office as well. No matter if you need a fast and straightforward solution, or something more comprehensive, we have the perfect service to fit your needs. Not only are our detergents powerful, but they're also safe and environmentally friendly. Other cleaners won't be able to get rid of the stains and spots that we can. Do you want to know more about Powers Park? Powers Park is located in the southeast of Marietta in Cobb County, Georgia, United States. There are plenty of attractions available in the Powers Park area. The Soap Creek Paper Mill ruin operated between 1871 and 1993, and was later abandoned. Visitors to this historical scene can see the industrial past of the area as well as hike along the trails inside the creek. The Sewell Mill Library and Cultural Center is not only a library, but also a public attraction due to its beautiful architecture. The library hosts several events annually. We're more than happy to help you with your carpet needs, or any of our other services. We proudly serve Powers Park and the surrounding area. Visit our website www.gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com/carpet-cleaning-services/powers-park-ga or call us at 678-818-5698.